Hello, beautiful. How are you today? Thank you so much for being here, for hitting that like button, for subscribing to my channel, and hitting that notification bell. That will let you know the next time I upload a video, and for all the beautiful comments that you leave me down in the comment section below. It means everything to me. So let's get on with our video. I was just watching one of the ladies that I support here on YouTube, and I'm not going to say her name just because I don't want to embarrass her. I'd love to do a channel shout out for her, but I don't want to make her feel bad. So if you're watching, my dear, I know you know who you are, and I love you. I'm working on editing my eyelashes tutorial, like how to apply them, and just wanted to pop on here and make sure that I kept content coming out. But this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to apply lip liner. I have just a little bit of the Bite Cosmetics Agave Lip Mask on my lips right now. I applied that right before I started putting on my makeup on the rest of my face, and my lips are always the last thing that I do, so I'm just gonna wipe that off right now. And this just leaves my lips so moisturized. They feel amazing. And I am a gloss girl. I think I've said that before, but every once in a while I do wear lipstick. I'm not gonna say that I'm always a lip gloss girl, but I just love anything that keeps my lips moist, and being able to move around. And of course, if my hair is up in a bun, like I just showed you how to do the other day, then it keeps my hair back, and I can go ahead and go for a walk outside and not worry about my hair sticking to my lips. But this lip liner is by a company called Gosh, and they are made in Germany, and this particular color is called Cardinal Red. Is color number 003, Velvet Touch Lip Liner. It is waterproof, and I just absolutely love using it. Now, one of the tips that I want to do is, or want to share with you, is to keep your pencil as sharp as possible. And I'm just going to move my mirror over here so that I can see and hopefully be able to show you at the same time while I'm doing this. So all I do is just run the tip of the pencil along the outside of my lips, and in short strokes. So I'm gonna stop talking so that I can do this and show you. So you're never actually just taking your pencil and ripping it across your lips at all. It is short, gentle little strokes so that you're not really going to make a mistake. And that's what I love about this technique. And then of course I'm going to do my upper lip area. I like to start in the corner and come up just a little bit. And then go back down as well. So both directions. I'll do that on the other side here too. Another quick tip for putting on your lipstick is making sure that all of your foundation is removed from your lips so that you've got a clear canvas to work with. And okay, then what I like to do is, because this little Cupid's bow area is probably more difficult than anything else that you're doing with your lip liner, so I am going to start just at that little dip, that point, and start to bring it up in short little strokes right up to the tip. I like to look at it as a mountain, so you just bring it up to the top of the mountain, Tiny, tiny little strokes. Same thing on the other side. So it really defines that tip. And then just go ahead and bring your pencil so that it meets. Tiny little strokes. Tiny little strokes. Again, so it meets. And it doesn't matter whether you're going up or down. Now, what I'm going to do today, because I'm showing you this, I'm going to fill in the rest of my lips with this color. So you can actually use your lip liner as a lipstick. And all lip liner does is keeps your lip color from bleeding and feathering out onto the rest of your face. Okay, and now I'm just gonna quickly grab a lip gloss, of course. Okay, and this one is the Lancome Juicy Tubes, and it is in Exotic Balm. So, and it is an ultra brilliant, ultra shiny, 0.5 fluid ounces. I've used this a few times before. I'll just run that along. It'll bring some sparkle to my eye, or to my eyes, to my lips. And there we have my finished lip look for today. Thank you so much for being here, ladies. I look forward to seeing you in my next upload.